You heard one drum, struck twice. Same skin, same stick, only the energy changed. And that energy has a name. This is intensity. How loud or soft a sound is. Same note, same length. Only the energy behind it changes. A little energy whispers. A lot of energy thunders. Watch the drum as a picture. A gentle tap draws a small wave. A hard strike draws a tall one. That height is called the amplitude. Bigger amplitude, louder sound. Now to the piano. Strike the same key with speed. Loud. Now brush it gently. Soft. Same note, same length. Your touch sets the power. Quick check. Which sound is louder? The first one or the second one? The second one. Same note, same length, but with far more energy behind it. Between a whisper and a roar lives a whole staircase. The same note from soft to strong. Listen. Now one warning. Loud does not mean high. A low note can roar or whisper, and a high note can whisper or roar. Intensity and pitch are two separate dials. Step back. Sound has 4 properties and you now know 3. Pitch says how high. Duration says how long. Intensity says how strong. Only timbre is left. Composers love this power. Beethoven's 4 notes. You know them. First soft, then loud. Listen. Those 4 notes are from 1808. Inside one symphony, Beethoven plays them loud and plays them soft. Same notes, same length, completely different drama. That is the power of intensity alone. Your turn. Clap as softly as possible. Now clap once, loud. Remember, intensity is how loud or soft a sound is. Energy sets the size of the wave, and your touch controls it. Next up, same note, same power, 2 voices. How does your ear know? See you there.